Hello and welcome to Know It All Haven. I'm Thomas, and today we're diving into a world where communication is silent, low, and sometimes even felt more than heard. We're exploring the mysterious and fascinating language of elephants, how they talk, even though they don't speak like us. If you've ever wondered how elephants stay in touch across vast landscapes, or how they express emotion within their herd, you're in for something truly remarkable. Let's start with something surprising. Elephants are among the most communicative animals on the planet. They live in tight family groups, rely on each other for survival, and display deep emotional bonds. To keep that connection alive, they've developed an incredible toolkit of ways to talk. First, let's talk about sound. Elephants use a wide range of vocalizations: trumpets, rumbles, roars, and grunts. But the most interesting part? Many of these sounds are infrasound, low-frequency vibrations below the range of human hearing. These infrasounds can travel through the air and even the ground for several kilometers, allowing elephants to send messages to each other over long distances. Imagine being able to whisper to a friend 5 miles away. That's how powerful this natural communication system is. Infrasound is used for all kinds of messages. For example, a matriarch might rumble to signal it's time to move. A mother might use a soft vibration to calm her calf. And during mating season, a male might send out deep calls to let females know he's nearby. Scientists have even recorded elephants warning others about dangers, like predators or humans, using infrasound alerts. But sound is just the beginning. Elephants are also masters of body language. Watch a group of elephants closely, and you'll see constant motion, flapping ears, swaying trunks, stomping feet, and head gestures. These movements carry meaning. A raised trunk can signal curiosity or alertness. Flapping ears might help cool the elephant, but also show excitement or agitation. And a lowered head with outstretched ears? That could be a warning to back off. One of the most touching forms of elephant communication is touch. Elephants greet each other by entwining trunks, gently pressing against one another, or resting their trunks on a companion's head or back. Mothers guide their young with careful nudges. Elephants comfort each other when they're stressed, scared, or mourning. Yes, elephants grieve, and they do it together. And then there's a form of communication most of us never notice: seismic signals. When an elephant stomps its feet, it can create low-frequency vibrations that travel through the ground. Other elephants can pick up these vibrations using sensitive receptors in their feet and trunks. In a way, they can listen with their limbs. It's like a secret signal beneath our radar. So, how do we even know all this? Well, thanks to scientists using advanced microphones, seismic sensors, and lots of observation, we've been able to decode parts of the elephant language. And while we still don't understand everything, it's clear that elephants use a rich, multi-layered system to stay connected, one that rivals even the most complex animal communication systems on Earth. Let's break it down. Infrasound lets elephants send messages across kilometers. Vocalizations like trumpets, grumbles, and roars help share emotions or intentions. Body language adds visual cues to the mix, like ear flaps, trunk swings, and posture. Touch provides reassurance and bonding. Seismic signals allow communication through the very ground they walk on. Together, these tools create a language without words, silent, subtle, and powerful. So next time you see a video of elephants silently walking across the savannah, remember this. There may be an entire conversation happening right under your feet. A mother calling to her calf, a leader guiding her herd. A young elephant signaling curiosity or caution. Elephants don't need words to speak. They speak with vibrations, with movement, with connection. And in that, they remind us that communication goes far beyond sound. It lives in feeling, presence, and shared experience. If this episode gave you a new appreciation for these majestic creatures and their silent conversations, don't forget to subscribe to Know It All Haven. There's so much more to discover in the animal world, and we're just getting started. I'm Thomas, and until next time, stay curious.